Hazrat Ibn Shihab reports that Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman told him that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari said, while narrating the period of pause in revelation, he said in his Hadith, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was going. Suddenly, I heard a voice from the sky. When I raised my gaze, I saw the angel who had come to me in the cave of Hira, sitting on a chair between the earth and the sky. I got scared of him. I came back and said, wrap me in a blanket. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down this revelation. O the mantled one, stand up, then warn, and magnify your Lord alone, and keep clean your clothes, and remain away from idols. Surah Al-Mudassir, verse 1-5. After this, the revelation started coming regularly. Abdullah bin Yusuf and Abu Saleh has corroborated him. Moreover, Hilal bin Radad has corroborated it from Zuhri and Yunus, and Mamar has said, Bawadirahu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4.